It's great. You get thrown on a boat, immersed in the islands. It's amazing.
Top notch, first class. It's been an amazing trip thus far.
I'm gonna become a Vietnam citizen. I'm never going back to the US. How could I? It's too beautiful, it's too perfect. I could live here for the rest of my life.
The factory was amazing because it was like a huge factory.
Most about that I liked about the vehicle is not only the fit and finish of the interior, but the power is just phenomenal. I mean, the handling, the acceleration, I mean, it just blew me away in terms of the completeness of the VinFast vehicle.
Everything was very intuitive, and obviously the performance of the car was amazing. It was super fun to drive, very smooth.
I've driven quite a few different EVs, and in terms of how this compares across them, I think this actually stands out from all the other EVs that I've tried out there.
I mean, it's a beautiful car. The color choices are wonderful. It's very well polished.
VinFast, boundless together.